lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine and I have an exciting video for you. Before I move on to the video, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my lovely videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. And towards the end of the video, if you made it that far, give me a like if you enjoyed it. On to the video. For those of you that have been following me for quite some time, you know that this liquid liner by NYC is my absolute fave. So I wanted to do a comparison on a wing liner between these two. This is the liquid liner from Shopmissa, and it's the Santee Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner. This eye look is actually using two different liners. Let me know if you can tell if they're different. Anyhow, let's move along to the demonstration. I'm gonna do one eye with the NYC liquid liner and the other eye with this Santee Hyper Glossy liquid liner that I purchased from Shopmissa. And let's see if I like how the Shopmissa one performs over my favorite of all times, the NYC liquid liner. You guys know I'm not the greatest at applying liquid liner on camera. That's why I always skip that step. And I always like to start from the middle. And I kind of go in sections as well. I find it's easier. And for the wing, I like to start right here at the bottom and just make a line. Then I like to go to the top of the line and go this way. And that's it, basically. So just one line and then go to the top and then go in the opposite direction, and then they'll connect. We're gonna do the other eye with the Shopmissa. Ooh! Right away, the brush is a lot thinner. Oh God, help me. This is gonna be interesting. All right, so let's start again in the middle. Right away, I can tell this is really watery. For me anyways, a lot watery than I would like. We're gonna work it out anyways. And it has a smell to it. You know me and smells. I feel like with the Shopmissa one, I keep having to go like over because it's so bloody thin. And there's a little bit of a boo-boo here. There. It's not as opaque as I like it to be. That's okay. That's what we have so far. So let's do the same technique again that I used on this eye. So let's start with by drawing a line. And you guys, like, I still struggle with wing liners. Like, I really do. I can never get them to be equal. They never look the same. So, okay, and now we're gonna go to the top and go down. Okay, I feel this one is not as thick as the other eye. Oops. What do you think, guys? So that's the Shopmissa. This is the NYC. They're probably not even, so don't pay attention to that, but just going to stick some lashes on and I'll be back with the finished look.
Got it bumping.
That's everything to my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Which eye did you like? Did you like this eye, which I used NYC, or did you like this eye, which I used the liquid liner from Shopmissa? Let me know in the comments below which eye you preferred, and if you have this one, let me know what your thoughts are too, because I think it's hella runny and I don't know if I'll be purchasing another one. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!